Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to convert your Base44 web app into the offline app. So guys, if you want to convert your Base44 app into the offline mode, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, we have the multiple ways. So if we try to put our all the code on the GitHub, so guys, it asks for upgrade. So this method does not work, but if you are comfortable to upgrading your application and your account, so you just upgrade and just connect your application to the GitHub, and you just download the folder in your local computer. So this is the first thing that you can do. Another thing is guys, you just first publish your app, okay, and if you want to custom your publish URL, so you just click and custom your publish URL. After that, click on publish and publish your app. Now your app is published and it is now live. So you try to open this link and check that app is properly working or not. Now here you see that my app is properly working. After that, you simply go back to your normal browser and search for web to app converter. After that, you click the option of the first link, okay, and make sure that the link is median.co. Then here you paste your link and build your app. So guys, build take the few minutes, so that's why I'm already convert my application. So guys, here you see this is my kinetic area arena, and here you see how your dashboard is looked. So this is the overview. Here this is your public link, this is your private management link. After that guys, when you create the option of build, so guys, here you go for the option of build and deploy in your application when your process is complete, means your build process is complete. Now guys, here it asks you, here you see the option of source code, okay. Now you simply click the option of build, so it will take few minutes, okay, to build and converting and downloading your source code, okay. When this is complete, you simply download the zip file and open it into your local computer for more editing and more changes, okay. So here you see now my source code is ready and I'm just click and download. Here you see that here you see the android.source.target.z, okay. Now you just open it and double click it to unzip, and now here you see this is your Android app, your icon, your griddle, everything is show here. Now you simply right click it, now open your Visual Studio Code, then go for files. Here you go for recent, otherwise you open new file, sorry, open folder. Here now it asks to choose the folder, so just go here, go for that downloads, and here you find the application. Here you just filter to the last it added. Now guys, this is my Android, and you just open, and guys, now here you see this is your project, okay. You go for the app src, and here is your main, your assets, your reasons, and you just close it also normal, and these are all your applications, okay. So this is the way that guys you can put your complete app to the offline. So guys, thank you and have